Good morning, viewer. Biendas here. It's a breaking news and amazing too. Yeah, infections and neurodegenerative diseases cause inflammation in the brain. But for unknown reasons, patients with brain inflammation often develop muscle problems that seem to be independent of the central nervous system. Now, researchers at Washington University School of Medicine in St. Louis have revealed how brain inflammation releases a specific protein that travels from the brain to the muscles and causes a loss of muscle function. The study in fruit flies and mice also identified ways to block these processes, which could have implications for treating or preventing the muscle wasting sometimes associated with inflammatory diseases, including bacterial infections, Alzheimer's disease, and long COVID. The study is published July 12 in the journal Science Immunology. We are interested in understanding the very deep muscle fatigue that is associated with some common illness, said senior author Aaron Johnson, PhD and Associate Professor of Developmental Biology. Our study suggests that when we get sick, messenger proteins from the brain travel through the bloodstream and reduce energy levels in skeletal muscle. This is more than a lack of motivation to move because we don't feel well. These processes reduce energy levels in skeletal muscle, decreasing the capacity to move and function normally. To investigate the effects of brain inflammation or muscle function, the researchers modeled three different types of diseases: an E. coli bacterial infection, a SARS-CoV-2 viral infection, and Alzheimer's. When the brain is exposed to inflammatory proteins characteristics of these diseases, damaging chemicals called reactive oxygen species is built up. The reactive oxygen species causes brain cells to produce an immune related molecule called interleukin 6, that is called IL-6, which travels throughout the body via the bloodstream. The researchers found that IL-6 in mice and the corresponding protein in fruit flies reduced energy production in muscles, mitochondria, the energy factors of cells. Files and mice that had COVID associated proteins in the brain showed reduced motor function. The flies did not climb as well as they should have, and the mice did not run as well or as much as control mice, Johnson said. BN's exclusive report.